Little update on the Honda Odyssey buggy project. I got some more parts delivered today. Another chassis complete with steering, 2 footwells, roll cage, another part of the roll cage, some important bits, fuel tank in good condition, gearbox, clutch, rear axle, another rear axle, another gearbox, miscellaneous parts, and most importantly, and something I'm really looking forward to tearing into, an engine. The original 250cc 2-stroke. So that'll get, I'll measure the bore, see if it's ever been bored out, get the right kind of piston, bore it out if need be, get that together. But lots of bits and pieces, pull start, springs, a whole box of bolts. Regarding pull start, I'm probably just going to get the electric start kit. I have one of them on my last buggy, and it made the world of difference. But yeah, little update for you guys. More coming soon.